Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 16-plate Mercedes SLK250 AMG Sport. Now, very desirable cars. Now the AMG Sport obviously gives you the full exterior body kit, so you get the more aggressive and pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts, you get a larger 18-inch alloy wheel, which is lovely, and finished in a lovely sparkle silver, and then nice detailing inside, so sort of contrasting red stitch, red seat belts, which suits the white car very well. Now this is the SLK250, so the 250 is the bigger of the brake horses without going to the larger engine, without going to a 3-litre V6. So nice power delivery, just over 200 brake horsepower, fantastic torque figures as well. Obviously this is the automatic vehicle, 7-speed auto I believe, so as you can imagine the drive is absolutely superb. You can flick it into manual mode, so you can drive the car manually if you choose to do so, but a fantastic looking car with the roof up, with the roof down. It's the best of both worlds. So looking around it, I think you'll agree it looks to be a lovely vehicle in very nice condition. So we've got our front and rear parking sensors, we've got LED daytime running lights. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. They're in nice order. All the chrome to the exterior, that's in nice condition as well. Nice sporty dual exhaust. I'll show you through to the boot just whilst the roof is still up. So obviously you've got this loading divider. All you do is press the button there, you can fold it away into the headlining, you can say, and you've got loads of luggage space there. You can also take this out where you'll find added storage underneath. So under there is your AdBlue tank. And then just to bring the roof down, all you do is pop the divider down and then you're sorted. So even with the divider down, you've still got quite a bit of storage under there. Looking inside, we've got our Artico grained leather sport seats with the, as I mentioned, the lovely red detailing, red seat belts, which I think looks fantastic. But inside, doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. Lots of bright silver detailing all throughout the vehicle as well. On the steering wheel, the door cards, the dashboard, the center console, the fit and finish is second to none. So once you're inside of the cabin, you've got your central lock-in, you've got your park folding mirrors, front electric windows, full leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here is your voice command, your Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. On the other side, you'll find all the buttons for your onboard computer. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 52,510 miles. And then as you can tell, you can click through all of the settings there as well. We've got paddle shift on the steering wheel, allowing you to drive the car manually. We've got our automatic lights found just down there. Looking through, we've got a full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. We've got satellite navigation pre-wire. Your Bluetooth phone is nice and easy to connect as well. And then you've got your system settings too. Now, 6-disc CD Autochanger, so you've got the slots there for that. All the shortcut buttons for the display. You've got your heated front seats, automatic stop-start, parking sensors, traction control, climate control with air conditioning, 12-volt power outlet for phone charging, and then your lovely gearbox there as well. So you've got your park, obviously reverse, neutral and drive, and then you've got your sport, eco and manual modes. Central cup holders, central scroll wheel for the display up ahead. Now under this sort of leather hatch you'll find all the controls for the electric hood. So we'll put the roof down in just a second. Central armrest is in lovely order, and within there is another 12-volt power outlet and a USB for phone charging. So all you need to do is flick the button up. It'll pop up on the little display there saying Varo roof in operation. The whole Operation only takes a matter of minutes, matter of seconds I should say, and can operate whilst you're driving. So you'll hear a beep once the operation is done, so you'll know to take your finger off the button. And then again, looks just as good with the roof down as it does with the roof up. Being the hardtop, it's fantastic during the colder seasons. Very much better with sort of sound insulation, heat insulation, but a nice car. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down and we'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer on Auto Trader. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. And then if you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. We do sell a lot of cars long distance to sort of London, Scotland and even abroad. So thank you for watching the video. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, on sales. There's both my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.